So it's August. You're sweating. Some of your plants gave up on life, and you're wondering, is it too late to plant anything? Nope. August is actually the beginning of your fall garden glow-up. And guess what? You don't have to guess anymore. Meet your new best friend, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App. Simply describe your situation and get advice on what to plant and where. More on that later in the video. Smash that like, comment your garden country below, and let's dig into what you can still plant in August. You can grow it. Leafy greens, cool season comeback. Lettuce, kale, spinach, arugula, Swiss chard, mustard greens, they thrive in the cooler temps of late summer and fall. It's their time to shine, or rather, photosynthesize. Tips: keep the soil moist with mulch. Dry roots mean bitter greens mean bitter gardener. Plant in partial shade if you're in a heatwave zone. Harvest baby leaves early for salads that make you look like a farm-to-table chef. Mistakes to avoid: don't overcrowd. They need space to leaf out. Don't forget to thin seedlings, or you'll get more fungus than greens. Root veggies, the below-ground bunch. Beets, carrots, radishes, turnips, they're not flashy, but they're reliable, like grandpas with overalls, and secret snacks in their pockets. Tips: loose, sandy soil is best. Think root hotel, not root prison. Thin seedlings early to avoid stubby, sad roots. Succession plant every couple weeks for a harvest party that never ends. Mistakes to avoid: planting too shallow. They'll get sunburned tops. Letting radishes stay too long. They'll turn into spicy marbles. Cool crop crew: broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, peas. These are the cold-loving champs of the veggie world. Broccoli that actually forms heads. Cabbage that doesn't split. Cauliflower that isn't just weird albino broccoli. Tips: start seedlings in the shade. Transplant when it cools down a bit. Fertilize regularly. These veggies eat like teenage boys. Stake your peas or they'll flop like lazy noodles. Mistakes to avoid: ignoring cabbage moths. Those worms will throw a buffet on your plants. Crowding means no airflow, means moldy drama. Fast growers: radishes, spinach, arugula. Want instant gratification? These guys grow faster than garden gossip. Plant now, eat in under a month. Some are harvest ready in 3 weeks. Tips: succession plant every week to keep the harvest rolling. Harvest often to prevent bolting. Keep soil moist for best flavor and texture. Mistakes to avoid: leaving them in too long. They go spicy and tough real quick. Forgetting to harvest means wasted potential, means sad gardener tears. Overwintering crops: garlic, cabbage, again, broad beans. These guys laugh in the face of frost. Literally, plant now, forget about them, and boom, spring feast. It's like magic, but with manure. Tips: garlic needs good drainage and a thick mulch blanket. Broad beans and cabbage love a little winter chill. It makes them tough. Mark your garlic spots. You will forget by February. Mistakes to avoid: planting garlic too shallow. Frostbite is real. Letting cabbage overwinter unprotected means sad, slimy mess. Herbs, the cool kids of winter cooking. Parsley, coriander, and chervil, your secret kitchen weapons. Sow in August, grow under glass or in containers, and enjoy fresh herbs while your neighbors are sprinkling. Oregano dust. Tips: use cold frames, greenhouses, or sunny windowsills. Trim often to prevent flowering and keep that flavor strong. Great for small space gardening. Balcony crew, this one's for you. Mistakes to avoid: letting herbs bolt. They go bitter and dramatic. Overwatering in containers. Herbs hate soggy bottoms. The AI Gardening App to plan your August garden. Get the most out of your garden. Describe your unique situation and goals, and let AI help you figure out what to grow and when. Here is an example question we asked the AI. You can find the question in the video description. You can chat with the AI buddy in any language and get instant help. It's the 1st of August, and I live in the Netherlands. I have a garden of 65 milts growers. I already have cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, and onions growing in the garden. And I want to plant new crops to be prepared for autumn. I'm thinking about a mix of leafy greens, root vegetables, and herbs. What's a great way to plan ahead? After describing your situation and goals, you can continue the conversation and fine-tune your August planting plan. Be sure to also check out our free-to-use gardening tools to help you grow more and better with less effort. Here's, for instance, what our seed spacing visualizer looks like. And don't forget to save seeds of your summer crops. Use our seed saving tool to get help for free. So yes, you can still plant in August. You can plant a lot. Fall gardens are full of flavor, fewer pests, and way more bragging rights. Be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. You can grow it with a little dirt, a little tech, and a lot of leafy dreams.